If Discord is showing error code 3004, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again. This error usually happens when Discord has trouble with screen sharing or capture settings, and the good news is that you can often fix it in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, start by updating your operating system. On Windows, click the Start menu, open Settings, then go to Update and Security and click Windows Update. If there are any pending updates available, install them right away. Keeping your system updated helps make sure Discord and your display drivers are working with the latest fixes and compatibility improvements. After the updates finish installing, restart your computer if Windows asks you to. Once your system is updated, open Discord and go to your user settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left corner of the app. From there, look over to the App Settings section and click Voice and Video. This is where many of Discord's screen sharing and capture options are stored, and changing the right setting here can often solve error code 3004. Scroll down until you find the Screen Share section. Here, look for the option that says Use our advanced technology to capture your screen, or a similar setting that says Use operating system menus to select a screen capture source. This setting can sometimes cause issues depending on your device or operating system, so try toggling it. If it's turned on, switch it off. If it's already off, switch it on. The goal is to test the opposite setting and see which one works better with your current setup. After changing it, close the settings and try screen sharing again to see if the error is gone. If Discord still isn't working properly, go back into User Settings and scroll down to the App Settings section again, then click Advanced. Here, you'll find Hardware Acceleration. This feature helps Discord run more efficiently, but on some systems it can also cause display or capture problems. Turn Hardware Acceleration off, then click OK to confirm. Discord will automatically restart after you apply the change, so give it a moment to reload. Once it opens back up, test Discord again and check whether error 3004 has been resolved. These 3 steps, updating your operating system, adjusting Discord capture settings, and toggling hardware acceleration, fix the issue for many users. If the error is still showing after that, you may need to check your graphics drivers, reinstall Discord, or review any screen recording permissions on your device. But in most cases, one of the fixes in this video should get you back on track quickly. If this tutorial helped you fix Discord error code 3004, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.